Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics: HDMI connected, TV on, and your DualShock 4 paired. Once ready, press the PS button to reach the home screen and open settings. Navigate to sound and screen, then choose display area settings to begin resizing. You adjust the visible frame so menus and HUD fit your display. This step ensures the PS4 output matches your TV's overscan and safe area. Once done, visually check corners and proceed when the guide box aligns with the screen edges. Now you refine the actual output. Go to Settings, Sound and Screen, then Video Output Settings. Select Automatic to let the PS4 choose, or pick 720p, 1080p, or 2160p manually if you know your TV's capability. Make sure to test RGB range, limited versus full, because wrong range can crush blacks or wash colors. If you have a 4K HDR TV, enable HDR and deep color output as supported. Once changed, confirm the image looks natural. Finish by revisiting display area settings for a final fit check, then test with a game or menu to verify HUD and text aren't cut off. If the screen goes black or output is unusable, power off, hold the power button to enter safe mode and choose Change Resolution to force 480p and reconfigure. Make sure to try a different HDMI port or cable. If problems persist, restore default settings. This preserves saved data but resets video options. One key troubleshooting tip: swap cables and ports first to rule out hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.